Today, we are going to take a look at 3 useful 3D printed accessories for Arduino Nano. The first one here we're going to look at, I designed this myself, and this is a breadboard puller. Now, to get these off, especially on a newer breadboard that hasn't been used many times, it's a little tough. This one's been used a bit. It's not as bad to get it off. But sometimes when you're new, you'd have to take like a screwdriver or something, pry a little under there, and I did not like that. Then if you were getting it uneven, it would bend the pins. So I came up with this simple little thing. It's a puller. So, whoops. Get it started on one end, clip it on, it fits on there. Then you can grab a hold of it, grab the breadboard, and then bam, pull it out. I'll stick it on there again. Cooperate with me here. There we go. Stick it on, pop it over, and just give it a pull. Makes it way easier to get it off. And that's how you remove it. All right, the next one. And just look in the description below for links. These are all on Thingiverse, and you can get the files for free to download. Just look in the description below. The next one is a little holder for mounting your Arduino Nano. Now, I found a few of them on Thingiverse. I didn't design this one myself. This is another person's, and you can find a link to it in the description below. It's very nice because it's mounted sideways, so the pins aren't either sticking up, or most of them had it where you had to mount the pins sticking upwards. Didn't like that. There's a few boxes that you could mount it into, and it just had a hole for USB cable. They're kind of pointless. This allows you, for a project to be able to mount it. And it's going to be easier to mount than trying to use the little screw holes that are on here. Because, to tell you the truth, even my local hardware store doesn't even have mounting screws and nuts that go that small. So this is nice, cool. This took about 15-20 minutes to print. I did have to take the Dremel and clean up the slots just a little bit. They were a little tight, but only took a moment to clean them out, and now it fits great. All right, last, we have another holder, but this one, is for the terminal board. It's got the holes for it there, and then it's slotted so you get the nuts that fit in there. Then you don't have to worry about having them stick out or using a wrench to hold them. It's grooved for them, and you put it on there, bam, bolts right together. And it has 2 mounting holes, so you can mount it down, and there you go. Then you put your Arduino Nano on there. You can use the terminals to make your connections instead of using a breadboard. Then you can bolt this down, to something metal. Also, even if, you were mounting it in an enclosure that was plastic, the nice thing about this is you're not mushing down, smashing against those pins. And just makes it nice and convenient. So those are the 3 cool and useful 3D printed accessories for Arduino Nano that I found. So, all right, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Thanks for joining us here today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So I hope you have a great day and have fun 3D printing some accessories for your Arduino Nano.